Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Don't forget to report your attendance. You found your video here, and this is your actividad inicial. Actividad inicial. And yes, I put it in Spanish. We need to start pushing a little bit that Spanish. Okay, the question, the actividad inicial es: responde la pregunta en una frase completa en el espacio abajo. Acá está el espacio abajo, text entry box. ¿Qué clase tienes en la primera hora? En una frase completa, ¿qué clase tienes en la primera hora? En la primera hora tengo la clase de... So you need to type your answer in a complete phrase. So, you know how to do it. Just type it there in your text entry box. I'm not going to say anything else because we need to try to get more and more Spanish. Today we won't connect and you have a quiz. Yay! Quiz. And here's your quiz. This is how it looks like. As usual, you know, this time I'm giving you only 5 points. Yeah, that's too much. You click here to go to your next section. In this section, you are going to say select the ordinal number from the columns, and these are the columns corresponding to the class according to the time on the rows. And here's the rows. So you look at the time, and according to this time, you select if this is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and so on. What class? Which class is that? So you're going to select 1 per row, and you got 10 of those. So you need to write to select the numbers, the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. That's it. In this one, read the following statements and decide whether it is logical or illogical. Lógico o ilógico. So here I put you 2 options for lógico or ilógico. You read the statement, you say, that makes sense. Or you say, that doesn't make sense. So then you select it. If it makes sense, you select lógico. And if it doesn't make sense, you select ilógico. And I had to answer, so I am able to, so just give me a second, I'm going to answer randomly. Okay, I pause so I could just randomly answer so I can move to the next one. This is the next one, the page 2. In this one, you're going to choose the word from the list that best completes each sentence. So you're going to read this sentence, the statement, and then you're going to select the word that you think will go in the blank. That's all you have to do. You got 5 of those. I put some hints there for some of the classes so you don't get confused, some of the questions. And then submit. That's all you had to do for today. I hope you enjoy your quiz and I hope you learn a lot. I also hope that you do it yourself. Try not to get together with friends and find the answers together and all that. And then, because what happens sometimes is that you'll get the answers wrong. Just do it yourself so you know how much you know. I'll see you later. Adios.